The real cost to own a monster bulldozer. In the world of heavy machinery, there are giants, and then there are legends. At the absolute peak, two names cast a shadow over all others: the Caterpillar D11 and the Komatsu D575A. These aren't just bulldozers, they're titans of torque, engineered to move the very ground we stand on. The Komatsu D575A is, to this day, the largest production bulldozer the world has ever seen, a true Goliath. But the Cat D11 is the undisputed king of the real world, the global workhorse you'll find in massive mining operations from the coal pits of Australia to the iron ranges of the United States. Everyone knows these are two of the most powerful bulldozers on the planet, but what most people don't know is that the sticker price is just the down payment. A brand new Cat D11 can cost between $2 and $3 million. But the real story, the one that makes or breaks a multi-million-dollar operation, is the crushing six-figure annual cost to keep it running. We're about to uncover the hidden operational costs, the eye-watering repair bills, and the relentless thirst for fuel that defines these machines. So, which of these beasts will truly drain your bank account? The answer is a lot more complicated than just bigger is more expensive. Section 1. The Tale of the Tape, a Clash of Titans. Before we get into the dollars and cents, let's set the stage. This is a classic battle of sheer size versus battlefield ubiquity. The Komatsu D575A is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world. Prototyped in the 80s and entering full production in 1991, it was built for one reason: to move more dirt than any other machine on Earth. It stands over 16 feet tall, weighs a colossal 153 tons in its superdozer configuration, and is powered by a massive 1,150 horsepower engine. Its standard blade can shove 90 cubic yards of material in a single pass. To put that in perspective, that's enough to fill over 700 wheelbarrows at once. With the optional superdozer blade, that number jumps to an incredible 125 cubic yards. Then you have the Caterpillar D11. First rolling out in 1986, it has become the gold standard by which all other large dozers are measured. While not as large as the D575A, it's still a monster, with modern versions weighing around 115 tons and powered by an 850 horsepower Cat C32 engine. Its largest blade can move up to 57 cubic yards. On paper, the D575A seems to have a clear advantage in raw power. But in the brutal world of mining, the spec sheet doesn't tell the whole story. The real fight isn't about who can push the most, it's about who can do it most profitably. Section 2. The Financial Showdown, where the real battle is fought. This is where things get interesting. Buying one of these dozers is just the price of admission. Keeping it running is where fortunes are won and lost. First, the initial investment. A brand new Caterpillar D11 will set you back a cool $2 to $3 million, depending on the configuration. Even a used late-model D11T can sell for well over $1 million. Now here's the twist. The Komatsu D575A, the larger of the two, has a much lower purchase price on the used market, with some listings around $875,000. That's a huge potential saving up front. But with only about 50 to 60 units ever made, just finding one is a challenge. This initial saving is where the D575A's financial advantages begin to fall apart. Let's talk fuel, the lifeblood of these machines. The Cat D11 is thirsty, burning through 50 to 80 gallons of diesel per hour under a heavy load. Some studies of older D11R models show consumption can even reach over 112 liters, about 30 gallons, per hour at high loads. The much larger Komatsu D575A is even thirstier, with estimates putting its hourly fuel burn at around 38 gallons per hour. While the D11's modern engine technology, like load-sensing hydraulics, gives it an edge in fuel efficiency when measured by cost per ton of material moved, both machines will cost you thousands of dollars a day just in fuel. Next up is maintenance. To keep a Cat D11 running in harsh conditions, owners can expect to spend between $280,000 and $600,000 every single year on fuel, maintenance, and operator wages. The real difference comes down to parts and support. Caterpillar has built a world-class global support network. Komatsu, with so few D575As ever made, simply doesn't have the same scale of support for its giant, making maintenance a logistical challenge. Section 3. The 500-hour service showdown. Beyond daily checks, the first major planned maintenance event is the 500-hour service, and it reveals the core philosophies behind these two titans. For the Caterpillar D11, a 500-hour planned maintenance PM2 service typically costs between $4,000 and $7,500. While the D11 is engineered for easier service, the sheer volume of high-performance fluids and specialized filters still results in a significant expense. The newest D11 models feature a 30% larger oil sump, specifically designed to extend these 500-hour maintenance intervals even in extreme environments. The cost breaks down into two main categories. First, parts and consumables run from $2,500 to $4,500. This covers a massive oil change for the Cat C32 engine, plus replacing engine oil filters, fuel pre-filters, and primary fuel filters. A critical part of this service is taking scheduled oil sampling, SOS fluids, to check for internal component wear. Second is labor, which costs between $1,500 and $3,000. A standard PM2 service takes roughly 6 to 10 man-hours, and modern D11s feature ground-level service access, which allows technicians to change coolant, hydraulic, engine, and powertrain oil without climbing the machine, helping keep labor hours down. For the Komatsu D575A, a 500-hour service is an even bigger event, costing between $5,000 and $10,000. Because this dozer is roughly 1.5 times the size of a standard mining dozer, every fluid change involves massive volumes that drive up the price. This service includes all the standard 250-hour checks, plus several critical replacements. The D575A requires roughly 140 to 160 gallons of various oils. Its massive SA12V170E engine requires a huge volume of high-grade mining oil, and replacing mandatory hydraulic filters is crucial to protect the machine's lifeblood. In terms of labor, you can expect 8 to 12 man-hours for a full inspection. At average shop rates of $150 to $250 per hour for specialized mining technicians, labor alone can easily exceed $2,000. Section 4. The six-figure repair bills. Now for the costs that can truly sink a budget: major component failure. This is where Caterpillar's repair before failure strategy comes into play. The philosophy is simple. A planned overhaul on a machine like the D11 costs a fortune, but repairing a component after it fails can cost up to 2.5 times more. Let's break down the D11's scheduled major repairs. First is the undercarriage, the tracks, rollers, and frames. In harsh mining environments, a full undercarriage replacement is needed every 5,000 to 7,000 hours and can cost over $200,000. This single system can account for up to 50% of the machine's entire maintenance budget over its life. Next is the heart of the beast, the Cat C32 engine. A major overhaul or a reman replacement is scheduled every 12,000 to 18,000 hours and typically costs between $150,000 and $300,000. Finally, you have the powertrain. Rebuilding the transmission and both final drives, which take incredible strain during heavy ripping, can cost another $100,000 to $200,000 combined. While these costs are astronomical, they are predictable, planned expenses in a system designed for longevity. The Komatsu D575A is a different story. A major failure is a financial catastrophe. Because the dozer was discontinued in 2012, finding a brand new crate engine is next to impossible. Owners are left hunting for new surplus engines, units built years ago but never used, or factory remanufactured ones. If you can even find a new surplus engine, expect to pay between $350,000 and $450,000. A remanufactured engine from the factory will run from $290,000 to $320,000, and that often requires trading in your old engine core. If the engine block is still usable, a professional overhaul might cost $150,000 to $250,000. The prices are staggering because the D575As 1,150 horsepower engine is a 12-cylinder beast. Rare parts like a crankshaft can cost tens of thousands of dollars alone. Just removing and installing the engine is a multi-day job requiring heavy cranes and specialized technicians, adding $20,000 to $40,000 in labor. And since the engine weighs several tons, shipping it can add another $5,000 to $15,000 or more for international freight. Conclusion: when you tally it all up, purchase price, maintenance, fuel, and the risk of catastrophic repairs, a surprising picture emerges. The Komatsu D575A is cheaper to buy secondhand, but the scarcity of parts and expertise makes it a massive gamble. The Caterpillar D11, despite its breathtaking price tag and high upkeep, often proves to be the more profitable machine in the long run. It dominates the world's minds for a reason. Its reliability, combined with a vast support network and incredible resale value, makes it the smarter long-term investment. Companies invest millions in the D11 because it can run for decades, with some machines logging over 100,000 service hours. Its lower overall cost per ton of material moved gives it a decisive financial edge. The Komatsu D575A was a marvel of engineering that was ultimately discontinued in 2012. It's the legend you tell stories about. But the Cat D11 is the legend you build a business on. It proves that in the brutal world of heavy machinery, being the best isn't just about being the biggest, it's about being the most profitable.